said I didn't have the courage to do it, but here we are doing it. Kazumi, it's gone. The Entitiy layer is gone. Well, that's all fine and dandy, Lars, that you could remove something from a drawing. Let's try and remove it in real code as well. So let's go in here and actually destroy this guy. Now I'll right click this guy and I'll delete him. Now why am I actually doing this right now? Why am I not waiting? Well, before we start adding more entities and more business objects, let's get this out of the way because it'll just be more work the more information we have in here. So that's kind of why I'm doing it right here now. So I right click this guy and say remove, and it pops up, do you want to remove this guy? And I say yes. And now we have problems because we have a lot of dependencies that are now broken. And that's why you see there'll be changes here because now they'll actually get some errors in each layer. So dependencies are now gone. If I open projects, you'll see the project dependency is just gone. The old one for the entity. And it's the same for this guy. No dependency now for that guy that we just removed. And the same for this guy down here. He doesn't have the dependency available anymore inside the projects, right? He only has for the BLL layer. So it's actually gone. One more thing I want to make sure if it's actually gone is open the folder inside the File Explorer again and just have a look and notice it didn't remove it here. Why? I just told you guys to remove it. So what you'll do is you'll just manually right click here and delete this guy completely from your system. I never want to see it again. It's gone. Okay, but notice you might have to do that. So that's why sometimes I'm just going and check my actual solution, which is actually just a folder structure, right? So it's fairly easy to figure that out. There we go. So now we have the 3 layers available now with a lot of errors. Because right now it doesn't know about the business object, it doesn't know about the entities inside the system. So let's start fixing that.